Welcome to day 2 of the LinkedIn Funnel Bootcamp. If you've not watched the first video, listen, there's a link below this. Go and watch that video, because once you've seen that video, this one will make even more sense. This is day 2. I'm excited for you because today we're going to be looking at videos and we're going to be looking at articles. Now, listen. This actual topic was brought out from the advanced part of the Linkedtify Funnel Program. So if you want to get involved in that even more in depth, go have a look at that right now. This is actually taken from there. You're going to learn how to promote your articles. I'm going to take you to the whiteboard in a minute. But listen, if you've not watched the first video, go and watch that now, because I talk about why you should be on LinkedIn. I talk about the type of money you should be making each and every month. Go watch that video before you come here. Let's get to the whiteboard and get started. Now in this video, I'm going to show you a funnel, a very simple funnel. But what we're trying to do, we're trying to drive traffic to our blog page, but specifically on LinkedIn publishing. Okay, so we are driving traffic from the newsfeed on LinkedIn to a LinkedIn blog page on LinkedIn publishing, because we want to stay within LinkedIn. LinkedIn likes it that we stay within the platform, and when we do that, it rewards us with more engagement. What do I mean by this? Say for example, you had 500 connections, okay, and you posted one of these articles. Now a lot of your connections saw the article, read the article, and started to comment on the article. That's a level of engagement. That's a level of engagement. Now LinkedIn looks at that, the algorithm looks at that and says, wow, this article is getting a lot of engagement. I'm going to show this article beyond just your connections. It starts to show it to like-minded people. You know, remember there's 590 million subscribers. So it goes beyond that. That's why you see some articles get, ridiculous amounts of comments, views, shares. The algorithm is taking place. So how do you get those types of, that type of engagement? Well, we've been doing some experiments. Video will play a huge role in that. LinkedIn only recently gave everyone the ability to post videos on the LinkedIn's newsfeed. So this is how we're going to be doing it, okay? Here are 3 videos. What I'm doing, I'm going to be using videos. I'm going to use these videos to promote this page. So I'm within the LinkedIn. This is LinkedIn's newsfeed. I'm posting one video, and in that video, it might be 3 minutes where I'm teaching, giving a tip. And at the end of that video, there's got to be a call to action. What do I mean by that? I say, well, if you want to learn more, listen, go to this page. So I've taught something. Not only are they commenting on this video, I'm also sending them to this page, which is LinkedIn Publishing, where you can publish articles. So I'm sending people to this page as well. Okay, so from the news feed, they go to LinkedIn Publishing. Okay, so this keeps them within LinkedIn. The algorithm sees that. There's a lot of comments. Yeah, I've got an example: 50 shares, 240 likes, and a lot of comments. These are the comments. Okay, let me just say this: what you're trying to do, you're trying to get people to consume this article. I want you to make sure that this article is absolutely awesome, because you want your guys to come back. Because once they've read this, you want them to come back again. What else does this do? It gives you instant authority in your niche. Okay, so when they see this and they read this, and the next time you post something, they're going to start reading your articles, engaging with your articles. This is how to get ahead, guys. This is another way when people are going to be sharing your article beyond your connections. You get new people joining you, new people looking at your profile, trying to direct message you. So here are my videos. Video 1, I teach a 3-minute video, a 2-minute video. And then at the end of that, I said, listen, if you want to learn more, go there. Video number 3. So I'm posting these times at the prime time, between 9:30 and 5:30, Monday to Thursday. These are the prime time to post on LinkedIn. Sometimes I might post this in the morning and then post this one in the evening, because there are people coming onto LinkedIn at different times. People are coming onto the news feed, scrolling all the time. So I might even send 3 of this in one day to get as much people on this as possible. That's one strategy, guys, to stay within LinkedIn, to use LinkedIn, to the algorithm to help your engagement. Remember, we're always trying to engage and then to stay within the Linkedtify. So what's the benefits of that? The benefits, stay within LinkedIn, like I've said before, which the LinkedIn algorithm helps you. Video and blog get engagement. So this gets an engagement, even the videos get engagement, okay? Prospects consumes great article. Make sure this is great. So the next one, they want to come back and read the next one. Sometimes within this, you can drive traffic back to your website and you're seen as the expert, right? So this is a really good way to be seen. This, like I said, this is a long form. It is long form, but it's got a lot of people are going to read that and going to learn something. Make sure that people read it and they learn something, absolutely something that is actionable, something that they're going to use for their business. This is how to get that type of engagement here, and this is an effective way of using videos as well. I'll see you in the next one.